How to see if someone viewed your Roblox profile. First of all, launch the Roblox application in your mobile device. And make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're here, unfortunately, Roblox does not have a built-in feature to see who has viewed your profile. The platform does not track or display who visited your profile for some privacy reasons. However, there is another indirect ways to gain some insight into who might be viewing your profile or interacting with your account. So, you can get an idea of who might have been on your profile based on the friend request history on Roblox. So, here's how you can see if someone sent you a friend request. So, once you're on your home page, tap on the More with the three dots at the bottom right corner. Here, go to your friends. So, under this section, any request from the players will appear here until you accept or decline them. So if you notice someone interacting with your games or viewing your profile regularly, they might send you a friend request and you might get a notification when someone accepts your friend request or when the request is accepted. Therefore, while Roblox doesn't have a direct features that show who viewed your profile or sent you a friend request, this method will give you some insight. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.